Hi guys, and welcome to my new video. This time I not only included the sketch but also this color study with the thumbnails you just saw here in the beginning, just to show you my process. And yeah, what else to say about this drawing? I just felt like doing something with a lot of color on, and with some more details on than just a girl as per usual. So I chose to draw this peacock sitting on the shoulder of this girl. And this is actually an old sketch I had in my sketchbook that I've never really finished, and then I started finishing it, but in that process I just thought, there's something wrong with this. I want to do something a little bit different, so I actually have redrawn it, which is the sketch I've used here for this video. So using the same pose and the same basic idea, but I've drawn the peacock tail a little bit different and a little more dominating. And also, when I did this, the initial or started the initial sketch, I kind of had this bright blue peacock in mind, but I kind of decided against that when I did my color studies, because I thought that would be what you expect of a peacock, and I thought it would be fun to do something else instead. And also I had this idea of her having these clear blue eyes and the blue dress, so I thought it would just be too much blue in one picture, so I kind of decided against that and chose a contrasting color instead. Yeah, and then you'll see me later on kind of recoloring some of the stuff on the tail, of the detail in the feathers of this peacock, because I kind of wasn't happy with the way I did them in yellow, kind of the little eyes, and the feathers, but I wasn't happy about it. So I kind of recolored it with a blue-green color instead, and I like that much better. So I hope you do too. So yeah, and I just wanted to say about this pose that I actually realized while I was doing this, that Vivian Wong, which is a YouTube artist, and if you don't know her, please check her channel. She's so skilled, and I just realized that she actually did a drawing with a girl with a peacock sitting on her shoulder in virtually the exact same pose as I have done here. So and I don't know actually if I saw that video once way back when I before I got the idea for my initial sketch, and that might have inspired me kind of in a subconscious way. So anyways, because it's so similar to the pose, I just thought I would put a link for her video below in the description, and then you can check her video out as well. She's so, yeah, as I said, so skilled, and she did this really pretty Alice in Wonderland themed portrait, which just, yeah, it just amazes me. So check that out if you don't already know her. I know, yeah, funny coincidence. Actually, my name is Vivi, so we also have almost the same name. Yeah, just a coincidence. Anyways, I hope you like this drawing, and I'll see you next week.